order you guys are going to see this in, but I'm working on the YJ. Elliot's coming over and we're putting the third member in. I had the task here of cleaning out 40 years of sludge, and yeah, I'm an absolute mess. I think I got it close. Elliot's an actual mechanic for a living, so I'm gonna have him do a once over once he gets here. But let me see if I can show you in here real quick. I genuinely should have shown you a before picture. Okay, so I got the gasket surface cleaned pretty good. There was an inch of sludge in the bottom of this thing. And despite my best efforts, like I put trash bags out over the axle ends here, and well, then I didn't pick up said bags, so they leaked. So there's a mess, and my wife's gonna kill me. All right, Elliot, let's go, man. He's on his way. All right, so here's Elliot with a budget TJ that you're gonna see for sale on the channel very, very soon. What do you got, buddy?
Got the fresh Yukon axle shafts ready to go back in the YJ.
Are they Yukon?
Yeah, they're Yukon.
Oh, I thought I bought Motive.
No, they're Yukon.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh. Okay. Yukon. I knew it the whole time. Let's go. All right. Nice TJ. I bet you need to own that. If you're watching this, you need to.
Yeah, it's great for a budget off-road build.
Budget wheeler, 35's, Highline, Poison Spider, Ricochet rockers, Moto-Built front bumper. That's some kind of back bumper. Oh, whoa, Nelly. We're gonna talk about that here momentarily. That looks like it's ready to party.
Oh yeah.
It is goofy that it's like off centered. You know what I mean?
Like, what are you saying?
I feel like, yeah, I feel like
guard?
it should be something like that. Yeah, on the guard. Okay, so tell me about it. What'd you do?
So.
What is that?
What's what?
What is this? What is that?
That's your NASCAR spec Detroit locker.
Oh, a Detroit locker. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
okay.
And then we've got the 538 gears.
These are 543s.
543s.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then nothing super crazy. Stock bearings, Timken, of course.
Yeah, you know the deal.
And then upgraded pinion support with a larger inner bearing to help take up all that abuse that you're going to be putting it through. Pinion guard.
Barnes 4-wheel drive. Let's go. This is a strap style, right?
Yep.
Okay. Sweet. Did you by chance get any did you video setting it up at all, or?
I did. Yeah.
You did. Cool. I'll slip that in here.
Got a little time lapse there. So
nice. Good work. All right, so we're gonna toss this thing in here. Probably won't record that, but it's about to get rowdy. Okay. Here we go. Got some shaft action. I seriously bought Yukon?
yes.
Did they come with a little sticker thing that's supposed to be right there?
No, they had no stickers on them.
That's
They were in
lame.
Yukon boxes though.
Huh. Should I say the famous last words?
What's that?
That we're not gonna break that.
It's not gonna break. It's fine.
All right.
The 2.5 doesn't make enough power to break anything.
Bros got jokes. It's the tires I'm worried about. Big old 37's.
Need an LS swap in this thing.
You paying for it?
No.
Okay. Hopefully you can see this. Let me wipe this off. Is that any better? It's probably not. This is the first time it's been on all fours in a while. Man, I forgot how sick this thing is. Love it. I'll have to get you some view in the daylight, but we've got a third member in there that's ready to rock. We were kind of playing around. I picked up a couple SYE drive shafts on Marketplace for like 150 bucks, 2 of them. So I'll send this off to Action Machine and have it lengthened. It is too short, but then we'll be able to drive it around without brakes. What's the worst that can happen?
I don't know. You hit something.
Yeah.
Minor details.
Yeah, details. All right, we'll see you in a bit. I do not entirely remember where I left off with this thing, but we're mounted again on all 4s. We're ready to go ripping here pretty soon. So in this video, I think I'm gonna drop off the rear drive shaft to Action Machine so they can lengthen it. And I've kind of started playing around with, well, by playing around, I mean I put the shock brackets on the tire. But she's low, she's wide, she's thick. Yeah, big fan. So, let me show you here in the daylight, this third member. Oh yeah, Barnes pinion support, 543 gears, Detroit locker, Yukon, 31 spline, 1541H. Hardened? I think they're hardened shafts. Degan really wanted to take this to prom, but there's just no way. Man, look at it. That's gangster. Instead, though, let me show you what he is taking to prom. His boss is letting him take this rowdy Blazer. It's a small block, EFI, nitrous. It's got chop for days. It is a real looker. This is my favorite body style of the S10 kind of chassis. Once upon a time, before I got into Jeeps, I wanted a small block S10 in this body style. Had a 355 for it, but could never find a carcass, and then sold the motor to buy Jeep parts. Anyway, we're gonna go take pictures and stuff here shortly. I'm gonna fire it up for you so you can hear how rowdy it is. All right, well, we're kind of in a hurry, but he's gonna fire this beast up. Let's hear it. It's rowdy. Careful. That's my boy. Howdy. All right, guys, I'm over here at Action Machine. We're in South Bend, Indiana. Kind of on the back side of the building, which seems, I don't know, seems sketcy. But I'm gonna show you how I drop off my stuff to these guys. This is gonna be cool. You're gonna like it. All right, so I got 2 drive shafts I mentioned that I picked up at Marketplace. One's got a Spicer CV, and I don't know what the other one is. That's a Spicer. But both of them are on the surface they look okay, but they're really not. So we're gonna give them both. And I'm gonna show you what I do here. Bob, you wanna call in and talk to Bob if you need a drive shaft. Bob or Kevin, but here we go. It's just that easy. Then they're gonna take it and do super cool stuff with it. All right, that was a lot of fun. Just a quick note on Action Machine. you guys, Jeep guys, have probably dealt with Tom Woods, Adams. Adams is kind of all the rage right now, and I get it. They make good stuff. I don't debate that at all. Action Machine is about a half-hour drive from me, and I can go physically see what they're doing, talk to them, touch, feel, go on a tour, whatever. They are super good people. I can't remember how many years now they've been in business, but they've been there a long time. And I just challenge you, if you want to support a, you know, small business, just check them out. Give them a call, see, maybe they can beat the price of whatever you're getting wherever. Super good people, and I hope to show you guys maybe when I go pick up the drive shafts, basically, yeah, just what they're about and all that jazz. So anyway, that wraps this one up. I know I promised you Mr. Peabody footage, and unfortunately the week just hasn't gone together like I hoped, but I do have some stuff to show you. And I've got Elliot's Jeep coming out to show you that as well. So I might drop 3 videos this week. And by the way, I don't know if you saw, I was wearing an Elevated Jeep shirt. Would you guys be interested? No stress, just curious if you'd be interested in an Elevated Jeeps t-shirt with some funny slogans, or I don't know, ironic Jeep stuff maybe. If you'd support, that'd be cool. I'm just kind of getting an idea here. I don't want to be like everybody else, but also I want to keep making content for you guys, so that would probably help. So drop me a comment, let me know if you'd be interested in that or not. Or not's fine. But we'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care.